que vous vous apprêtez à voir dépasse l'ordinaire. Une simple plaque d'immatriculation expirée, un contrôle de routine, et pourtant tout va dégénérer sous vos yeux. Une mère, ses enfants, une confrontation tendue, où le calme fait vite place au chaos. Préparez-vous à découvrir un moment intense, où les choix d'une personne bouleversent une famille.
That's missing all the numbers from here over.
Well, that's what I have right now. So I'll go back to the house.
I don't have a lot of good news for you. They want your tag back as well, so I have to take that. Okay.
You have to park the car and call a Uber with the kids.
Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
Don't park somewhere safer and get towed.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So give me a second to take the tag off, and then I'll come back up here. I'll get you out of here, okay?
Here, sir. I'll take it off. Let's see it.
Dès les premiers instants, l'atmosphère est électrique. La conductrice refuse de rester dans la voiture, conteste les policiers, et la tension monte à chaque seconde. Derrière elle, ses enfants observent, innocents et impuissants, ce qui va devenir une scène qu'ils ne pourront jamais oublier.
Don't you put your hands on me. I'm just trying to get some water for you.
Can't go 13. I need another one.
Get
Right
off
now.
of
10,
me.
18, please.
You better take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Pregnant. Get off of me. Get your hands off.
Puis soudainement, tout bascule. La mère s'agite. Les gestes deviennent brusques. Elle arrache les lunettes de l'agent, provoquant une blessure au visage. Mais ce n'est pas tout. Elle tente d'utiliser son stylo comme une arme. Un instant d'égarement qui va transformer un simple contrôle en une scène d'une rare violence.
I'm trying to get my ball. Let me go. Put my foot down. I'm gonna walk over there. Stop. Can you let me go? Can you let my foot? Let my foot go.
Do that.
I'm trying to pull up. Take your hand.
Don't do that.
I'm trying to say I
Don't
cannot.
do that.
I just said I can't go to the hospital because I can't breathe.
Honey.
I'm sorry, I can't see my emergency room. I was pregnant a couple of days ago. Can you? You are an unkind person. I just said I will help you take off the tag off of my car. You're an unkind, racist person.
Ma'am.
I just want
And for these.
it off of me.
He's bleeding.
Can you
See
please?
this out of his pocket stuff.
I did not take that out.
Yes, you did.
I did not. Okay.
Yes, you did.
Excuse me.
L'agent blessé tente de garder le contrôle, mais la situation lui échappe. Le sang coule de plusieurs plaies au visage, la suspecte continue à résister farouchement. Le calme du début est désormais loin derrière, remplacé par la panique et l'urgence. Au milieu de ce chaos, un témoin intervient. Un inconnu qui n'hésite pas à s'interposer, à distraire la femme pour lui arracher le stylo. Un geste courageux qui va peut-être sauver une vie, mais aussi amplifier la confusion générale.
Okay, the ground is. I'm trying to. Ow! I'm pregnant. Get off of my stomach.
Sir, is there any weapons in the car? Do you have any weapons on you? Here, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick so you can deal with the kids.
Les renforts arrivent rapidement. La suspecte est maîtrisée au sol, menottée. Les enfants, eux, sont pris en charge, bouleversés par cette scène d'une violence qu'ils n'auraient jamais dû voir.
You can breathe, you're fine. The officer had her by the leg. She was hopping. He was telling her to get down. He told her to get down once, but then as I got closer, I could see he appeared to be in distress. He was bleeding from 2 to 3 areas on his face. Okay. She looked at me. I looked at her and I was like, what did you do? Yeah. Get down.
Tighten it up.
Okay, tighten it, please. Please take me out. Please, I beg you, please. Okay, please.
Are you asking to poke or stick me?
No, I just got paid. I'm a veteran. I'm a retired veteran.
All right, you just hang on with the kids so they don't have to listen to all this, okay?
They're scared.
I know, I get it.
Yeah, the spire tag with
L'intervention policière se poursuit avec des fouilles et des vérifications. Chaque détail compte, chaque geste est lourd de conséquences. La situation est tendue, mais les forces de l'ordre doivent assurer la sécurité de tous, y compris des enfants.
My impression was she was going to use it as a weapon and stab him
Okay,
in
yeah,
the face
sure.
or the neck.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, okay.
And I
Le témoignage du civil est éclairant. Il décrit la scène, le moment où la femme a saisi le stylo, prêt à frapper l'agent. Une scène d'une rare intensité, capturée par les caméras, mais aussi gravée dans les mémoires.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right.
I promise I won't do anything.
Relax.
All right. Take a breath.
Ma'am,
Take a breath. Take a breath. We're gonna set you up. Okay?
can you please help me up? Please.
Get some other blood
I promise you I won't move.
She's just Jamaican and crazy. I told her, I said, let the officer take the tag off the car. She said, she want to take it. I said, no, let him take it off. I'm military. Let him take the damn tag off.
Was she driving the car?
Yeah, I said,
La justice ne tarde pas à statuer. Les charges
I know. I
tombent,
told her,
lourdes
don't
et
get out the
lourdes.
car.
Agression
I'm
sur agent,
military, sir.
résistance avec violence, mise en danger d'enfant.
Ma'am, you're leaning away from us.
I'm
Ce
sorry.
qui avait commencé
Walk
par
to the
une
car.
plaque
You're gonna turn
expirée
around. You're gonna sit
est
down,
devenu un
and you're gonna
dossier
face
You want me
me.
to turn this way first?
Turn around, face me.
Okay.
Sit. Thank you.
Okay.
Now I can see you have something in your bra, so you're gonna keep facing me.
Okay.
And I'm gonna unloop your bra and just see if it's just the front clasp that's undone. Okay.
Thank you.
It's just the front clasp.
Yes.
Okay. So while you were struggling, it came undone. Is that
There's
true?
nothing in my hair, miss.
Okay. Well, we gotta check. Go ahead and put your feet in.
Okay.
Put your feet in for me, please.
Hold on.
I will ask you one more time, ma'am. Put your feet in. Thank you. This came out of her back pocket. Who's arrested? So I can give this to her. It's just $1.
Just hand to me right now.
All right, here you go, got it. And this is, I didn't check her shoes.
Cette histoire est bien plus qu'un simple fait divers. Elle nous rappelle combien la coopération et le calme sont essentiels face à l'autorité. Parfois, un simple geste, un mot ou un refus suffisent à tout faire basculer. Et dans ce chaos, ce sont souvent les plus vulnérables comme les enfants qui souffrent le
She
plus.
has more of your
Le son
property,
amer, mais nécessaire.
so we're just gonna hang tight for a minute until she meets us here. She's on her way, so maybe 5-ish, 10 minutes.
I didn't have any property.
Not like a phone or anything.
That was all in my car.
Okay. Well, like I said, she has something that belongs to you, I guess.
Okay.
The female was charged with battery on law enforcement officer, aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, strong arm robbery, criminal mischief, resisting arrest with violence, resisting arrest without violence, depriving officer of communication.
Cette histoire nous rappelle une chose essentielle. Parfois, il suffit d'un simple refus pour tout faire basculer. Les enfants ont vu, la rue a vu. Et nous, on ne peut qu'en tirer une leçon. Si cette vidéo vous a fait réfléchir, laissez un like, abonnez-vous pour plus de récits réels et surtout restez du bon côté de la loi. À très vite pour une nouvelle histoire vraie.